iPhone 12 Pro Max. Release date the 13th of November 2020. 5 grams phone. Support single nano SIM. This video shows 5 features of iPhone 12 Pro Max. Number 1. Display size 6.7 inches 1284 by 2778 pixels. Number 2. Built weight just 228 grams thickness 7.4 mm both front and back are protected by Gorilla Glass. The mainframe is stainless steel. Software. iOS 14.1 upgradable to 14.2. Number 3. Storage 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB no card slot for memory card RAM 6 GB A14 Bionic. Number 4. Power and charge. Battery of 3687 mAh. Music time up to 80 hours. Supports wireless charging. Number 5. Camera. Main triple cameras are 12 megapixels with lidar scanner. It can make videos of 4K easily. Zoom up to 12x. Dolby Vision recording. Night mode portraits. Larger sensor, faster lens, improved stabilization. Front camera 12 MP.